Rupert, Rupert, Rupert. Gosh!
If you like having fun, skip and jump and run. If you need a friend, you can depend on Rupert, he's the one. In that wood every day, Rupert loves to play. To fly in the sky, way up high, and time just slips away. What's the name?
Rupert,
He's the one.
Rupert,
What's the name?
Rupert.
The one and only.
Gosh!
If you like to make believe, then sing along with me. R-U-P-E-R-T.
Rupert,
The one and only. Rupert's number one. What's the name?
Rupert.
It is said, one cool breeze on a hot day is worth more than 1,000 pieces of gold.
Especially when someone else is providing the breeze. Did your ancestors ever say anything about taking turns pumping?
Would you like more lemonade, Rupert?
Yes, please, pumping.
A little more ice if you don't... Huh?
Come on, then. We'll both get some lemonade. And when we come back, you do the pedaling.
Whoa! Rupert, why do you stop horse in midstream?
Look,
An intruder?
someone with wet feet.
Podgy, did he not go swimming this morning?
You're right, pumping. So, Podgy thinks he's going to play a trick on us, eh? We'll see who surprises who. Trust Podgy to be thinking of his stomach. Aha! Caught you, Pod... Huh?
It's a snowman!
Hey! That's my dad's old hat and scarf. I know you. I made you last winter.
Hello, Rupert. I hope you don't mind. I was just helping myself to some ice. It's a bit hot.
But what are you doing back here in Netwood?
Well, when I escaped from the North Pole, I didn't know where else to go. Oh,
Escaped?
yes. You see, King Frost took me to live at his wonderful snow palace, as he does with all the snow people when winter's over. And we lived there for months without a care. It was a winter wonderland. Then, one day, the sky suddenly darkened and a terrible blizzard lashed down on us. It was the work of Billy Blizzard. Billy and his mischievous blizzards were as much a part of the North as the Northern Lights themselves. But until that day, Billy Blizzard had always stayed away from King Frost's ice palace. As ruler of the North, King Frost commanded Billy to leave, but Billy only laughed, mocking King Frost's pleasant little snowfalls and cheery little snow people. He had no intention of leaving. In fact, before anyone could stop him, he froze King Frost to the spot, declaring that now he was the king of the North, and that from then on, all would be darkness and ice. Fortunately, I was able to sneak away. Actually, I wasn't sneaking away. It's just that before I knew it, I found myself here.
We've got to help.
Yes, a great idea. You should help. Personally, I was thinking more along the lines of, well, hiding out here. From the sun, that is. You know, just until winter comes. It's him! It's Billy Blizzard! Oh, he's found me! Quick, run, run! Please, don't freeze me. I'll do whatever you say.
Rika!
Rika?
Hello, Rika. Nice to see you again.
You too, Rupert. And Pong Ping.
Had you fooled, didn't I? I knew it was Rika. Who's Rika?
Rika's a friend of ours from Lapland. She takes care of Santa's reindeer for him.
Rupert, you've got to help me. I had to bring Santa's reindeer here for safekeeping.
I'll look after them for you.
Oh, thanks, Pong Ping. Santa's terribly worried that Billy Blizzard is going to freeze the whole North Pole. I must get back and try and stop him before it's too late.
We're coming with you, Rika. You're going to need help.
Me? Go back there? Oh, no. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not afraid.
You don't have much choice. If you stay here, you'll melt.
Not if I, stay in the cellar. I'd be no trouble. Just a few blocks of ice would be all I'd need. You do have a cellar, don't you?
I'm afraid not. Thanks, Pong Ping. We'll be back as soon as we can.
Up and away, into the sky, back to the North Pole we must fly!
Maybe you could just drop me off in Greenland. I hear it's nice and cold there. Or how about Iceland? That has a nice ring to it. Or Alaska. I hear it's always cold there.
The only way to stop Billy Blizzard is to get his wind whistle from him. Without it, he is powerless.
Strategy, that's what we need. I say we go back to Nutwood and come up with a plan.
There isn't time.
There isn't? Of course there isn't. Time is of the essence. I'm sure we'll think of something when we get there. Oh, we better.
The reindeer will be safe here while we're gone.
Good. Which way to the Snow Palace?
That way.
You did say this way.
I did. And don't you two worry about a thing. I won't let Billy Blizzard touch a hair on these reindeer.
There it is, the Snow Palace.
You mean what was the Snow Palace?
Well, there's only one thing to do. I say we take the palace by storm.
Where are you going now?
To get help. I know some polar bears who are just itching for a fight. Of course, it'll take a couple of months to muster our forces, but...
There's no time. We have to get Billy's whistle.
We can sneak into the palace and take it from him before he even knows we're there.
Let's go.
Come on.
Well, I think you're being a bit hasty. But if you really insist... You're not insisting, are you?
I'm afraid so.
I was afraid of that. I mean, I'm not afraid.
Frozen solid. We'd need a fire-breathing dragon to get through that.
I think I may know just where to get one.
So do I. But we can't afford the time.
Quick, this way.
After you.
After you.
Where'd she go?
Up here. Come on.
After you.
Billy is freezing everything.
And everyone.
King Frost.
It's worse than I thought, Rupert. We'll never do this alone. We need help.
I vote for the polar bears and the dragon.
What about Santa Claus?
You're right. He can help us. He's the only one who can. We have to...
Shh. Look.
Why the frightened look, little snowman? You should be pleased. You are now and forever part of Billy Blizzard's kingdom. Soon, all will become my loyal, true blue subjects.
No! Wait!
He's seen
Rika! Run!
Santa! Oh no!
Merry Christmas!
Rika! That was close.
Too close.
Hold on, Rika! Rika?
Rupert, are you all right?
I'd say that was a bit faster than the toboggan run at Nutwood Common.
Where are we?
Good question. It looks as if we could be right under the North Pole. My snowman! We have to find him.
Don't worry, we will.
But maybe he's... Oh, Rika, it's all my fault.
No, Rupert, you can't blame
But he
yourself.
wanted to
for-
stay in Nutwood. I was the one who made him come with us.
He was melting in Nutwood. He had to come back. You! Look out!
You saved our lives.
It was nothing.
Not you. Rika.
Of course. What I meant was I'm sure for her it was nothing.
Good old snowman. Not a snowflake worth for the wear.
I was afraid I would never see you again, Rupert.
So are we. But here we are, together again, safe and sound.
I'm not too sure about that.
Snow people.
Who are you?
Allow me to introduce my friends, Rupert and Rika. I brought them all the way from Nutwood, at considerable personal risk, I might add. Isn't that right, Rupert?
Well, the part about us coming from Nutwood is...
You've come to take us away from here?
No, we haven't come to take you away.
What? But Billy...
If we don't stop Billy Blizzard, he'll destroy the entire North Pole.
Rupert is right. Besides, you'll melt if you leave the Arctic. You must stay here and help us.
Some choice. Leave and melt or stay and be frozen solid.
Not if we can get Billy's whistle.
Oh, you'll never do it. He's too strong.
He'll freeze us to the spot as quick as you can blink an eye.
Snowman, do something.
Well, Wait a minute, stop! If we don't do something, what's going to happen to all the other snow people when spring rolls around next year? We gonna let them all just melt into puddles?
Well, no.
That's right. And do you know why? Because we're mad.
We are?
You bet we are. I'm mad, you're mad, and I'm gonna stay mad until we send that Billy Blizzard packing. Right?
Right.
Are we snowmen or are we snow mice?
Snowmen!
You said it. This is our chance to show him what we snow people are made of.
You bet.
Let's give it to him. Wash his face with snow.
What's the plan? Let's get going.
Good work, Snowman. I knew you could do it.
Right. Now, over to you. I'm gonna go check on those reindeer.
I'll talk to him, Rupert. You take care of the snow people. Snowman.
Well, somebody's got to look after the reindeer.
But not you. You're much too brave for that. Rupert and your friends need you, Snowman.
You might not believe this, but there isn't a brave snowflake in my whole body.
I don't believe it, and neither would anyone else who heard you make that courageous speech.
You really think I'm brave?
I know it, and so will you if you just give yourself a chance.
It just might work.
It has to work.
Count me in. What do you want me to do, Rupert? Lead the charge?
No, I need you to lead Billy Blizzard out into the open.
Anything you say, What?
The whole plan depends on it. We're counting on you. Let's go.
Oh, I hope I'm as brave as they say I am. Billy Blizzard, come on out. Guess he's out for the afternoon. Have to come back tomorrow. Billy Blizzard, I demand you show yourself.
Who is the fool who calls upon the ruler of the North Pole? Nice day, wouldn't you agree? A touch warm, perhaps. Allow me to lower the temperature.
Rupert, help me!
You? I'm surprised you came back after the cool reception I gave you.
It's not right what you're doing to the North Pole, Billy Blizzard. Use your power to restore King Frost and leave this place.
But I like this place. Especially now. I intend to stay. It is you who are leaving.
Whistle. Now, Rika, now! Fire!
What? You think your fluffy snowflakes can stop me?
No, run! We have to fight!
Huh? No! Welcome to my kingdom, little bear. You don't look so brave now.
Rupert!
He was brave. He was brave. He was...
No! Stop! No! My whistle! My...
That's the end of you and your power, Billy Blizzard.
My whistle! No!
What happened?
We did it, Rupert! We did it!
But how?
I'll explain later.
Your mischief has reached its final end, Billy Blizzard. From this day forth, you are banished to the cold misery of the South Pole, where you will be alone for all of time. You will never set foot in the North Pole again. Take him away.
My snowman, where is he? Is he hiding again? Then where is he? You don't mean...
He was the bravest snowman ever, Rupert.
Rika, on behalf of myself and all the snow people here at the North Pole, I want to thank you and Rupert for all that you've done.
Where is Rupert? I haven't seen him since...
Oh, he's all right. He just wanted a few moments alone before we went back to Nutwood. Rupert, what are you doing?
Just adding the finishing touches, Rika.
What? Rupert! Oh, you scared me.
It worked.
What I meant was, you surprised me. It's not like I was frightened or anything. Nothing frightens me.
We know that, Snowman. You saved us all.
I did? Of course I did. Wait, I remember now. Rupert, when I saw you frozen, I said to myself, that's the last straw. After all, the fate of the whole North Pole was at stake. I had Billy shaking in his galoshes. You should have seen the look on his face when I came charging at him.
We have to get back to Nutwood to collect Santa's other reindeer, Snowman.
You don't want to hear the rest of how I saved the North Pole?
When I'm back for a visit.
Goodbye, Rupert, Rika, and thanks.
Sure we can't drop you somewhere, Snowman? Iceland, perhaps?
No, thanks. The North Pole is the only place for me. Especially now that Billy Blizzard's gone.